In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add product blocks to your Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign in to your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site, and open the website where you want to display your products. Once you're in the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, scroll through the available elements until you find the products element. If you don't see it, make sure your website has an online store enabled. Drag the products element onto the page where you want your products to appear. This creates a product section that visitors can browse directly on your website. Click Add Product to create a new product. Enter the product name, description, price, and upload one or more product images. If your product has different sizes, colors, or other variations, add those options as needed. Next, configure your inventory, shipping, and any additional product settings available for your store. Review the information to make sure everything is correct, then click Save. Repeat the same process for any additional products you want to display. When you're finished, publish your website so your product blocks are visible to customers. That's how to add product blocks to your Weebly website. Thanks for watching.